Hello friend, now we are going to start the immune response. In previous class, we already discussed about the antigens structure, antigen function, how the antigens elicit the antibodies, and so there is the interaction between antigens and antibodies takes place. Also studied about antigens, antibodies, antibody structure, how the antibody structure look like a Y-cell and different types of protein present in antibody. The main protein is immunoglobulin. So, different structure of immunoglobulin like IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. These are the various type of antibody already. So, and the function of the antibodies to the antigens, there is the process like opsonization, neutralization, precipitations, agglutination. There is a various technique to act the antibodies on antigens and other microbes. So, now today we start the immune response. So, immune response is nothing, is a type of active immunity. So, where the antigens and antibodies are interact to each other or one another. So here is there are two types immune response. First is humoral immune response, where the antibodies are formed in huge quantity and act on the antigens of microbes. Another is cellular immunity. Cellular immunity means cell mediated immune response. So, cellular process enhance and activate the cellular process and direct killing of the microbe. So there are the two process. So, when this process start, when the pathogens or foreign invader comes into our, so first defense takes place and it penetrates to the circulatory pathways. So, first line of defense is skin. When it penetrate the skin and come into the circular pathway and interact with the one of the cells, that is called macrophage. So, there is the interaction between macrophage and antigens. So, macrophage is nothing, it is just a ARC cell, antigen representing cell. So, it represents the first encounter occurs or takes place between antigens and ARC. So, first encounter which stimulate the macrophage, and then macrophage activate the helper T cells. So, helper T cells is the one of the T cells which is responsible for both humoral as well as cellular immune response. So, helper T cells which activated by the macrophages, so activated cell get multiplied and form many helper T cells that secretes a chemical, that chemical is called lymphokines. So, there are various series of the lymphokines like IL-2, IL-6, and these lymphokines which activate first B cells. The B cells get activated and multiply to form the first clone of the B cells called plasma cells, and another cell is called memory cells. The function of the plasma cells to produce many antibodies. So, many antibodies circulated extracellular and which comes into the blood and help in the humoral immunity or humoral immune response. It is the extracellular response occur. So, here is the extracellular response through the humoral immune system by the secretion of the antibody through activation of the B lymphocyte by helper T cell. Another response is activation of the cell. So, here helper T cells that produce lymphokines, that lymphokines activate the cytotoxic cells. Here is the cytotoxic cell activated to produce the many cytotoxic cells. So, activated cytotoxic cells, so which is direct killing of the cells or direct killing of the microbe. So, here is a type of response or attack is intracellular response. So, a cytotoxic cell become natural killer cells to attack the microbe. So, here helper T cells which act on the MHC2 receptor, major compatible histocompatibility. So, there is the tissue receptors present over the surface of the cells or plasma membrane of cells. So, this is called MSC2. So, MSC2 receptors where the helper T cell acts and the cytotoxic cell acts on MSC1 receptor. So, this is the process of mechanism of a type of cellular immune response. So, first is humoral immune response where the antibodies are produced in large amount by the activation of the B cells by helper T cells and activated B cell to form a plasma cells. Plasma cells produce more antibodies. So, this is a type of response and inhibit the action of antigens. Another is the cytotoxics where the cells are activated to produce the natural killer cells and act direct killing of microbes or foreign invaders. So, there are the two mechanisms. So, this is all about related to the active immunity. Active immunity when the pathogens come inside and the action or immune response start. So, another one is the passive immunity. So, passive immunity is the two types, artificial immunity, artificial passive immunity and natural. So, in artificial passive immunity when the immunization product form outside. So, outside we form the immunization product like serum. So, it is from the collected from the horse serum or antivenom. Antivenom type is a artificial antivenom. Antivenom we produce when the snake bite and we produce antivenom. So, antivenom is artificial passive immunity when the snake bites and use after that. So, another in natural, so the direct transmission of immunogenic substance from parents to child. So, this is the when the mothers transfer immunogenic substance like IgA to the kids or child. This is a type of natural immunity. So, here so in passive and so another immunization system based on the artificial active immunity. So, this is all about related to the immune system, immune response or a type of antigens and antibodies action. Okay, this is thank you.